Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can lock or unlock your keyboard on Windows 11. To lock your keyboard, click and hold the right shift key on your keyboard for about 8 to 10 seconds. Until you get this notification. Then click yes. And now your keyboard is locked. You can use only on-screen keyboard. And to unlock your keyboard, click again the shift key for about 8 to 10 seconds. Now your keyboard is working again. That's how you can lock or unlock keyboard on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.